我哋嘅英文堂啦。嗱，今日咧我帶咗兩本練習同大家一齊享用。嗱，你睇下我哋呢兩本練習，我慢慢見一見俾大家睇先。嗱，本身咧，嗱我哋而家睇下呢本先。嗱，我哋睇下先，佢呢本咧係有名詞、動詞同形容詞嘅啫，所以我哋係話唔會咁難嘅。係咪呢本啊？呢啲，所以都唔會咁難嘅呢啲1年級、2年級嘅啫，2A、1A、1B 嘅啫。咁我哋而家開始課堂啦喎！我而家攞一本寫作嘅技巧同大家分享一下先。呢本入邊有好多技巧俾你睇嘅，所以我都建議大家可以買呢本。我哋睇下呢度佢寫啲乜？我睇下呢度寫啲乜？Disneyland is such a fantastic place. It is children rides. It is a 嗱，我唔繼續讀落去啦。呢度咧，佢係講啲乜咧？呢3句都係描述迪士尼樂園入邊有啲乜嘢遊樂設施或者景點。有冇啲咩辦法可以去描述得更加精解呢？嗱，而家我俾大家諗下，我俾10秒時間俾大家諗下。10秒過去咗啦，而家開估啦。睇下先，運用 and 係連接詞，把呢3句咧縮連接佢。第2同第3句咧之間就可以用 and 啦。你睇下下面呢個 firework displays and， 所以呢本我都建議大家可以買嘅。之後咧又會少少練習，可以俾大家練習下啦。最後尾都有答案嘅。嗱，呢本我都建議下大家啦，買啦，因為咧入邊咧，佢一嚟係會有少少漫畫同你講，佢食緊薯片啦。Do you like chips? No, I don't. Chips make me unfit. I like chips. They keep me happy. 咁咧，下面就會教你少少嘢啦，譬如喺呢度教你 Do you like milk? Apples， 因為佢呢度有2個。Yes, I do. Short sentence. No, I don't. Comprehension 就係 Yes, I like milk. Yes, I like apples. No, I don't like milk. No, I don't like apple. Does he like milk? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. 所以我都建議大家買嘅。咁我哋今日就開始課堂啦喎。我哋首先咧睇下呢本，我哋做咗練習3先啦。唔係，我哋做咗練習4先。練習4，我哋讀一讀先。To Perry at how you are。咁我哋唔讀呢啲啦，因為呢啲咧我要串啊，唔想嘥時間。我哋直接去下面啦。Dear A，How are you? Would you like Would you like to come over for a play date tomorrow? I live at flat A on the 5th floor of Hammer Building. It is next to Tasty Restaurant and Posite Careful Park. You can come by MTR. I am looking forward to seeing you. Cheers. B 嗱，我哋而家了解下點解佢一嚟會寫 A 同埋後面會寫 B 先。我哋睇下先，點解呢？我哋睇下先，會唔會係因為佢哋個名係 A 同 B 啊？一定唔會啦！世界上冇人個名係 A 同 B， 淨係可能係個開頭係 A 同 B， 即係我係姓我嗰個名呢係姓 Y 嘅，但係呢，點解我覺得我個名都唔係 Y 呢？嗱，點解佢會寫 A 同 B 呢？我俾10秒時間俾大家諗。10秒過去咗啦，我而家要開估啦，係因為人哋喺嗰啲問題裏面會問點解你覺得人哋呢會喺個問題裏面寫，你覺得邊個會係 A 啊，邊個會係 B 啊咁樣，同埋上面你已經寫咗啦，你睇得清啦。上面我唔讀嘅原因就係咁啦。係因為人哋寫 Perry 啊嘛，人哋寫 Perry， 佢有寫 to Perry 啊嘛，咁所以下面呢 A 咪就係會係 Perry 咯。咁佢呢度寫 from 邊個呢？佢呢度寫 from Jarvis， 所以呢佢呢度就要圈 Jarvis 啦。我哋就睇下先，佢呢度 What is the text? An email 或者 an invite card。我哋睇先，呢度係 Hammer Building 2，呢度就係1啦。Happy Supermarket， 我哋而家就寫翻去咯要。我哋睇翻篇文章，佢話 Happy Supermarket 嘅隔離係乜嘢啊？睇下先。It is next to Hammer Building， 即係呢個啦，呢個啦，呢個。咁佢就話 You can come by MTR 上面呢 I live in flat A on the 5th floor of Hammer Building. It is next to Tasty Restaurant. Tasty Restaurant。咁咧，你就要將嗰個 Tasty Restaurant 填翻落去下面啦喎。你覺得會係1、2呢？俾5秒時間大家諗。5秒過去咗啦，答案係填喺1嗰度嘅，係填喺2嗰度嘅，因為佢話 next to 啊嘛 ，next to Tasty Restaurant and opposite to Peaceful Park。咁如果喺呢度呢已經有填咗噶啦，咁就會第二個 park 呢就會填喺呢度啦，係咪？咁我哋繼續落去下面咯喎。第一題 ，What is this text? An email, an invitation card。嗱，佢係咩意思呢 ？What is the text？ 我哋睇呢度先。What is the text? What is the text? 嗱，下次我再講。而家呢，就俾你哋做 homework。 OK 好啦，咁咧而家我哋就做下一頁啦喎。Place C word power， 我哋 power 咗啦 ，power up。嗱，我哋睇下先 fill in the blanks with the correct word below。我哋睇下呢度有啲咩 word 啊？呢度有 library 啦、park 啦、hotel 啦、park 啦、bank 啦、museum 啦、hospital 啦、restaurants 同埋 cinema。嗱，睇戲嘅地方、食嘢嘅地方、有病人住喺嗰啲地方，跟住好舒服，要好多錢先住到嘅地方，買包嘅地方，玩嘅地方，參觀嘅地方，睇書嘅地方，同埋攞錢嘅地方。但係唔好偷錢喎，記咗。我睇下先，呢度寫 Jade。Where are we going, Mom? Mom, first we must go to the I need to get some money。嗱，我啱啱都講咗啦，攞啲錢咁喺邊度啊？我俾3秒時間俾大家諗。嗱，3秒時間過去咗啦，我會開估 bank。We must go to the bank. I need to get some money. Can we go to the I want to borrow a book. Borrow a book 我啱啱講到睇書嘅地方係咩啊？就係呢個啦 ，library 啊，所以就會填 library 喺第2嗰度啦。Borrow a book. Yes, of course. After that, let's buy tickets at the for tonight screening of Wally the Whale。我話 cinema 係睇戲嘅地方，係咪填喺呢度啊？係啦。Yes, of course. After that, let's buy tickets at the cinema for tonight's screening of Wally the Whale. Hooray! Shall we have our lunch at the next to the MTR station after that? Then we will go to the next to MTR station after that. Then we will go to the to buy some bread。嗱，我啱啱講咗啦，買包係喺邊度啊？嗱，我哋啱啱啦已經填咗啦 ，library 啦，我哋都填咗 cinema 啦、restaurant 啦，同埋 bank。咁呢度係剩翻乜啊？剩翻 bakery、museum、hotel、park、hospital 呢幾個。即係咩啊？買包嘅地方就係 bakery。所以啦 ，bakery 我哋就可以填喺呢度啦。Sure, Mom. Can we go to the this afternoon? I want to ride my new scooter. Sure, Mom. Sorry, we can't. We need to visit Grandpa this afternoon. She is an and will be discharged in 2 days. 我哋讀埋後面啦，咁就好知道啦。佢係咪想玩啊？啲小朋友通常都好想玩噶嘛。Sorry, Mom, we go to the乜 this afternoon. I want to ride my scooter. 通常 ride my scooter 咧係會喺邊度？會唔會喺 hospital 啦？梗係唔會啦，入邊啦係唔俾添啊，係咪啊？咁所以定翻啦 bakery 啦，所以佢就會填係啊，呢個 bakery 呢個就要 park 啦，跟住到呢個啦 she is 乜乜 and will be discovered in 2 days。你覺得我哋一定要去探訪，咁就係一定要去探訪，咁代表佢有受傷啦，受傷就會喺邊度啊？係啦，醫院啦，醫院嘅英文係咩啊 ？hospital。咁咧就會 hospital， 我哋就會填喺呢度啦。咁而家咧，我就教大家做呢個先，下次咧我就會教大家由 D part 開始巡遊啦喎，由 B 見。